Now that we've known how booleans work, it's high time we'll look at how to switch between types, data types. Okay, so we're going to do a save as on this. So we're going to talk of typecasting here. Okay, let me just say typecasting.php like that, and I'm going to change the title to typecasting. Okay, this is going to be very short this time. Okay, so let's quickly set a variable. Let's say var1 is equal to 2. No, let's give it a string. Okay, var1 is equal to 2. var2 is equal to 3. Now if you look at that variable, you discover that even though 2 is a number, but the variable 1 is a string while the variable 2 is a number. Okay, so now for you to understand this very well, you use a function called the getType to know the particular type of data that you're working in. Okay, so that one is written like this. Let's echo it. It's written getType all in one word. So getType variable1, and let me just put that separately. Let me put a Ctrl V there. And then let's do this. Now I'm gonna put a break tag here. I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, not forgetting my semicolon. Now get type variable1 and get type variable2. Now let's quickly look at what that will output for us in our browser. Now we are looking at typecasting .php, and now you see that the variable 1 is a string and variable 2 is an integer. So what this particular function does is it gives you the name of the data type. Okay, so you can switch between data types also. So let's look at that. So that you're going to use a particular function called the set type. Okay, this time around we're not going to echo it, we're just going to set the type. So this will be set type variable 1, but the set type have two arguments. So the first argument is the variable you want to set. Now our variable 1 is a string. We are setting the type to an integer. Okay, so we're setting the type to an integer, and then we're going to echo the type of variable 1. Now let's see what is going to output for us. Now you discover that the variable 1 is now an integer instead of a string. So that is how you can switch between types and get the type of data that you're working on, so that you know if you're working on a float number, a string, an integer, you know, whatever. So those variables, those are functions, are the things that are used. Okay, so the next movie we're going to look at another very important thing called constants. Constants are very important by programming. So but till then, go through this one, understand how it works. I'll see you in the next video.